Hi guys and welcome. Today we're going to look at a speaker that has been out for 2 years and I haven't had the opportunity to test. This is the Soundcore Boom 2 and it should have a speaker in the middle, tweeters, and then the passive radiators. Has the bass up function. I think it has Auracast, or I think this symbol we need to see. 80 watts, floatable, 24 hours of playtime, IPX7. So the 2.1 channel design features a subwoofer and a powerful and deep bass. For powerful and deep bass, which I said this one. And then on the back we have some of the features: punchy bass up technology, connect multiple. It has Auracast. So included is a USB-C to C, which is nice. Loud and clear 80 watts output, EQ, which we know Soundcore already. They have nice EQs for Apple and for Google Play. There is an app, fully waterproof and floatable. LED, so it has LEDs on the sides. Built-in power bank, so you can charge your phone as well. 24 hours playtime. So yeah, let's just open it up. Okay, so the user manual and USB-C to C, and the speaker itself. So that's the tweeters, the bass in the middle, quite nice. Soundcore logo. The grill feels cold, could be metal. Power button, Bluetooth, volume up and down, play and pause. The Auracast bass up, and then you can see some instructions in here. Okay, so bass up. Tuning on bass up, and the light show will reduce playtime. Okay, makes sense. Light on and off. You press the bass twice and then switch through the lights. You press the bass 3 times for 3 seconds. Sorry. Soundcore logo here on the handle, I really like. So this is how it is on the sides, and of course we're gonna do a push. Ooh, nice and flexible. That's how it is on the back. So you have, that's the USB-A is for charging, and that's for the input the USB-C, just to charge the speaker. And on the bottom you have rubber fit. And that's how it stands next to the Xiaomi Party. It's Xiaomi fits exactly inside the grill, but it's still taller. And yeah, I hope that it sounds better than the Xiaomi, because Xiaomi doesn't seem to have deep bass. It has punchy bass, but not deep bass. So I'm gonna turn it on, but you will stop the video, hopefully, and that means it's connecting properly with my phone. Probably fully discharged because it's so old. It's been released 2 years ago. If it's been in the shop. Okay, we need to charge it, so so the RGB lights are quite nice, and when something plays, this moves exactly on the music. If you press and hold 3 seconds, it will switch the light effects. So let's just try that. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And you can adjust the RGB to be for the light to be stronger, or turn it off. And yeah, when the music plays, it's really nice. But so far I do like the one with the fire. Let's just see if I can go back to it. Quite a few. Yeah, that's my favorite one. So that's how it is in the app. You can turn it off. You can obviously increase the volume, play, pause, control the bass up. You have EQ, and you can customize it if you want. it had how many bands? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So plenty to customize. At the moment, my favorite one is treble boost. Yeah, I just simply like it. But yeah, there's different modes in here, but that's my favorite. And then Auracast, and I managed to pair it with the Go i3, and it sounds amazing. That's also another speaker that I really like. It is my favorite portable one. And then you control the light. So in here you can change the colors if you want. You have flash, flame, energy, wave, lightning, fireworks, and rainbow. You can adjust it how bright it is, and I'm gonna show you how bright it gets. I'll leave it on the highest, and then you can turn it off and on. So yeah, they said it goes pretty bright, and yeah, there it is, full brightness. Yes, yeah, so we are with the Soundcore Boom 2 outside. There's some RGB lights going, but I have them on really low. That doesn't matter, I've shown you that in another video, but now it's just about the sound. So we're gonna use this song again. Volume is kind of like here, so yeah, let's see.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watch me weep. I love everything.
Sounds really nice. Quite deep bass. Let's see maximum. And that's maximum. Sounds really nice. Deep bass as well. Let's see.
Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me.
Still, I think the volume sounds the best when it's a bit lower, like it's up to.
Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright.
Because it's from here, I can't mute it. So we start with this volume. Let's do middle.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the
It sounds really good, guys.
profanities. I see the
It's not even comparing with the Xiaomi Sound Party. Nah, this is far, far from it.
cries and watch me weep.
And that's middle. Let's just pump it up.
Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my rise up and the force reality.
Behind this, you can still hear it pumping. Really good.
Inside my own world of make-believe, kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Seems like even with the bass off, still has bass outside. It's quite nice. Let's see again.
What's so bright? It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
So yeah guys, this is with the bass off. Still sounds nice. Bass on. Way nicer. But no distortion. No distortion and high volumes, which is really nice. Listen to this.
Redemption, honesty is the one way gate to hell.